This is a fishtail braid. To make it easier while learning, start off with a basic side ponytail. If your hair is too short, use a smaller section of hair like the ones shown in previous lessons of this class. Brush the ponytail to remove any tangles, and then divide it into two sections of about the same thickness. Separate a small section of hair from the outside of one of the sections. The section should be about the diameter of a pencil or smaller. Cross this small section over its neighbor to the far half and incorporate it there. Then do the same from the other side. Separate a small section, cross it over the preceding section to incorporate it with the first half. Smooth out both sections by hand or with the help of a brush. Getting started with the fishtail is the toughest part, so don't get yourself down if it takes a few tries. Next up, just repeat what you did. Pull a small section from the side you started with, cross it over the middle to the opposing side, and incorporate it into that half. Grab a small section from the opposing half and cross it over the middle to meet its new home on the other side. Continue crossing small sections from one half to the other, alternating sides, until you run out of hair. When you feel like you've got the hang of this technique, try to start the braid without the help of an elastic at the top. Divide your hair into two sections, and then break off a small section from the front half and cross it over to join with the back half. Likewise, grab a small section from the back half and cross it over to join the front half. Try to keep the whole braid low and close to your head. You can always make the braid looser later, so best to keep things snug as you go. At a certain point, you might find it comfortable to flip the braid over and complete it inside out by crossing the sections under the middle before joining the opposite side. Secure the braid with a small elastic. Gently pull the braid apart to create a fuller appearance and enjoy.